Magandang araw! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, let's have a real talk. Let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of term life insurance. Are you ready? Term life insurance. It's one type of coverage that provides your loved ones financial protection if you were to die. Kung meron kang ganitong type of insurance policy and you passed away, yung beneficiary or beneficiaries that are named on your term policy will get a death benefit payout. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of term life insurance? This is an important question, and life insurance shoppers need to understand the pros and cons of term life insurance. Sometimes people get focused on price or the life insurance company rating and don't spend enough time learning about policy types. One of the advantages of buying term life insurance is the price. Term life insurance premiums will be lower when compared to permanent policies with the same benefit amount. In other words, no matter if you buy a 1 million pesos life insurance policy or a 10 million life policy, term will always be less expensive compared to a permanent life insurance policy. Term life is the biggest savings for your pocket if you're looking for the maximum amount of death benefit. The second advantage of buying term life insurance is temporary. Term life insurance is temporary insurance. So how did it become an advantage if it is temporary? It's an excellent choice when you need to insure a specific length of time such as mortgage, loans, or your children's education. If you're a young couple, you most likely don't have a huge cash reserve at this stage in your life. If the breadwinner of the family were to die, the family will most likely be left in a horrible financial situation. A term policy would protect this situation by covering the family during the working years and allowing them to save and provide protection once they enter the retirement years. The third advantage of buying term life insurance is simplicity. A term life policy is simple to understand compared to some permanent life insurance policies and options. Term is very basic. You pay your premium and you receive coverage for the selected term. Permanent life insurance has confusing parts such as cash value, policy loans, paid-up additions, etc. This can get quite confusing for shoppers who want a basic life insurance policy. And the fourth advantage of buying term life insurance that I would like to share with you is the flexibility. Term life can be canceled easily if needed. Opting out of a permanent life insurance policy can be quite the headache in some situations where you terminate the policy too soon. Yes, it would be great if term life was perfect. It's a great product, but has some shortcomings. Let's look at the disadvantages of term life insurance. The first disadvantage is that it has no cash value. Term life isn't structured to provide cash value. This is a major disadvantage of term life insurance when comparing it to permanent policies like whole life. The second disadvantage is it is unexpected. One of the major disadvantages of term insurance is that your premiums will increase as you get older. When you buy term life in your 20s or 30s, It will be much cheaper compared to when you need to renew your policy later on in your 50s or 60s. The third disadvantage is that it is uncertain. Your term policy will stop providing coverage when the term ends. If you want to renew your policy after the 20 or 30-year term ends, your situation might not be favorable. Your age alone might make the cost of insurance too much. Also, you may have become uninsurable during your term, making it very difficult to qualify for coverage or get an affordable policy. This is a big disadvantage of term insurance. And the fourth disadvantage is the availability. When you enter the old ages of life, let's say after age 65, it starts to become much more difficult to secure the term life insurance. The majority of life insurance companies do not provide policies at these ages. The ones that do are often limited and expensive. The question is term life insurance for you? Term life insurance may not be for all, but definitely there are people who will require such type of insurance. Here are some popular examples of how term life insurance is used. First is the budget. If you are on a strict budget and need life insurance coverage, term life will be the better option because permanent life insurance will cost more. Second is if you're the breadwinner. When you're the sole breadwinner of your household, you'll be able to secure a much higher death benefit with term in order to protect your loved ones for your specific budget. And third example is the buy term and invest the difference. Popularized by financial celebrities, buy term invest the difference is a popular strategy for those that are disciplined and invest in other financial markets instead of using permanent life insurance. Hopefully, you've learned a little more about term insurance benefits and drawbacks. Do you know any other term life insurance disadvantages or advantages? Please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless.